Good afternoon, y'all. Here we are in Saluda County, South Carolina, and the peach trees are in full bloom. Kind of reminds me of my dad's farm in North Louisiana. He had 300 trees. And I bet these little things are going to be tasty in a few months. A lot of work goes into these. You've got your open center tree, and then you have to prune them where you can get them picked with these. And after about 10 or 12 years, they've got to bulldoze them down and replant. But they are pretty in the spring for the second day of spring. Birds singing, sun shining. I guess it's a little chilly for the bees to be pollinating, but they sure look good. I'll have to come out here and get some when they're ripe and ready. And I hope y'all have a good day.